Let's make Easter treats. First, we are going to make chocolate Easter eggs. Take 1 cup of dark chocolate chips and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and melt it in the double boiler method. Pour your melted chocolate into the silicone egg molds. Make sure to cover all the sides of the cavities, but leave the space in the middle for the stuffing. Place it in the freezer for 5 minutes. While the chocolate is going to harden, we are going to make stuffing. Half of a cup of powdered coconut milk, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and mix it all together. If the consistency is too thin, add a little bit of almond flour. Add 1 teaspoon of pink pitaya powder. It will add some sweetness to it and the color will be amazing. Mix it all together and place your stuffing in each cavity of your chocolate egg, leaving a little bit of space to cover with chocolate. Place it in the freezer for 5 to 10 minutes. I have some leftover of melted chocolate, so I decided to make more candy. I poured leftover chocolate halfway in each cavity of the silicone mold and placed 1 fresh blueberry in each cavity. Push blueberry a little bit deeper so it will be covered with chocolate and place it in the freezer for at least 5 minutes. After about 5 minutes, chocolates are easy removable from the silicone molds and they are ready to be served. For the second recipe, I have no-bake chocolate mousse cake. For the crust, you will need 1 cup of cashew nuts soaked in the water for at least 1 hour, 1 cup of pitted dates. Blend till you get the consistency that you want. I wanted it to be a little bit crunchy. I have 8-inch round cake pan with the removable bottom. Place blended dates with cashew nuts in the pan and press to make it even. I am using a spoon to make sure it's all leveled up. Let's make the mousse. For this you will need 1 can of full-fat coconut milk and 1 cup of dark chocolate chips. Place it on the stove till the chocolate starts to melt. Take it out, stir, and pour half of the chocolate mousse into the cake pan. Place it in the freezer for at least 30 minutes. Half of teaspoon of cacao powder and stir till it dissolves. Pour the rest of the cream into the pan and place it in the freezer for at least 3 hours. For me, it was the next day when I removed it from the pan. Carefully remove it from the pan and pour melted dark chocolate on top of the cake to create chocolate shell. Decorate with fresh berries. I've made a little nest with chocolate pretzels and white chocolate candies. It is very easy to make. Happy Easter! Thank you so much for watching and enjoy!